Hello everyone. In our 2-minute revision lesson today, we shall be discussing the topic different type of variables from research methods. In psychology experiments, a variable is anything that can change or vary. There are different types of variables that researchers must understand and control to make sure the results are accurate. Let's start with the independent variable IV. This is the variable that the researcher changes or manipulates to see if it has an effect. For example, changing the number of hours someone sleeps. Then there's the dependent variable DV. This is what the researcher measures. It's expected to change depending on the IV, for example, measuring how many words a person can remember after different amounts of sleep. Both the IV and DV must be operationalist. This means the variables are written clearly and in a way that can be measured. So instead of saying memory, you might say number of words recalled from a list of 20. There are also extraneous variables. These are extra variables that might affect the results, but are not the IV. Researchers try to control these, so they don't interfere. If not controlled, they can become confounding variables, which affect only one condition of the IV, and make it hard to tell if the IV really caused the change in the DV. Next are participant variables. These are differences between the people taking part, like age, mood, or intelligence. These can influence results, especially in independent measures designs. To control these, researchers may use matched pairs or random allocation. We also have situational variables. These are aspects of the environment that can affect the study, like noise, lighting, or time of day. Researchers try to keep these the same in all conditions to make it fair. Finally, there are uncontrolled variables, which the researcher couldn't control or didn't notice. These might reduce the validity of the experiment because they interfere with the results. To summarize, the IV is what's changed, the DV is what's measured, and operationalization helps define them clearly. Extraneous, participant, situational, and uncontrolled variables all need to be considered to make sure the results are accurate and trustworthy. Dear students, remember the resource is always here for a quick, easy revision whenever you need a boost. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.